Hey, to hide your apps on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, we've got only one method. So we can actually hide apps from the home screen and from the app drawer. So to do this, you have to click and hold with your finger on the empty space in the home screen, then select settings in the right bottom corner. And from this, you have to scroll down and select this option, hide apps on home and apps screens. And now if I want to hide, for example, my Google Chrome browser and for example, Google Drive, I have to basically select any application that I want to hide and then click done. And now when I will try to search for the Google Chrome or for the Google Drive, as you can see, it doesn't appear. Even when I put this phrase, Google Drive, it's actually not visible right here. The same for the Google Chrome. But for example, if I input the Google Maps phrase, it will be visible. So yeah, that's how we can do this. And if you want to get back these applications, you have to actually do the same. So click and hold with the empty space, go into the hide apps and click on the X and then tap done. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.